This is sixth session of Unit 1 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Let us study some problems on depreciation in this session. Calculation of written down value and depreciation using block of assets. We take the different blocks of assets like block 1, 2, number of blocks. First we shall take the written down value on the first day of previous year, that is 1st April 2019. Add purchases during the year, purchases of the asset which would be used for more than 180 days and less than 180 days during the previous year, less assets sold during the year. We get the closing value of block of asset, and then let us charge the depreciation on the given percentage, whereby we get the written down value of the asset. Let us take this problem. This problem was asked in November 2014. Compute allowable depreciation from the following. Block of assets are given. We can see here building, furniture, plant and machinery, computer. The written down value is given and the rate of depreciation is given. Additional information: the assets purchased during the year regarding building, which was on 4th June, plant on 20th August, machinery on 14th December. A computer cost rupees 50,000 was sold in March for rupees 20,000. So this is the information. Now let us see the solution. Computation of depreciation for the assessment year 2020-21. So in the particulars, let us write block of asset. Then we shall take all the 4 blocks different: building, furniture, plant and machinery and computer. And the rate of depreciation we have mentioned here: 10% for building, 10% for furniture, plant and machinery it is 15% and computer it is 40%. So first we shall take the written down value. So this is the written down value given. Buildings it is 4,50,000, furniture is 40,000, plant and machinery is 16 lakh and computer is 2 lakh. Now let us add any additions during the year. Asset purchased during the year. So we have here building which is purchased on 4th June for rupees 8 lakh. Plant on 20th August for rupees 12 lakh. Machinery on 14th December for rupees 20 lakh. So again it comes under this block, plant and machinery for 20 lakh. Furniture and computer there is no additions. So if we add we will get this total. Now let us deduct the assets sold during the year. Only the computer is sold during the year. The cost of the computer written down value was 2 lakh, but the computer costing rupees 50,000, only one which is costing rupees 50,000 is sold for 20,000. So there is a short-term loss for this computer. Now let us deduct this 20,000 from 2 lakh. We will get 1,80,000, and rest of the building, furniture, plant and machinery it remains the same. Now we have to charge the depreciation. Now when we charge the depreciation we have to see when this asset was purchased during the year, because if it is used for less than 180 days then we cannot charge the whole percentage. We have to charge 50%. Means if it is 10%, then if the asset purchased is used for less than 180 days it would be 5%. Now this building it is purchased on 4th June. So definitely it is more than 180 days. Therefore, we can take the entire block and charge on this whole 12,50,000 at the rate of 10%, we get 1,25,000. Next is furniture. There are no additions. So 10% on furniture comes to 4,000. So if you deduct, you will get the written down value here. Now coming to plant and machinery, we have a plant purchased on 20th August for 12 lakh. So this is also used in the business for more than 180 days. But the machinery which is purchased on 14th December, this is used for less than 180 days. If you count from 14th December till 31st March 2020, so you will get 3.5 months. So it is less than 180 days. Therefore, the calculation of plant and machinery, depreciation on plant and machinery is done accordingly. You can see here from the written down value from this 48 lakh rupees, you have to deduct this 20 lakh which is used for less than 180 days. So on this 20 lakh, we have to charge half of the rate, that is on 20 lakh at the rate of 7.5%. So from 48 lakh, if you deduct 20 lakh, the rest which was in the beginning as well as the addition during the year will come to 28 lakh. So on 28 lakh, we are charging at the rate of 15%, it comes to 4,20,000, and on 20 lakh which is used for less than 180 days, we are charging at half the rate, that is 7.5%, which comes to 1,50,000. So this is depreciation on plant and machinery, and only in case of plant and machinery we have to charge additional depreciation for the purchases during the year. So we have two assets here, plant of 12 lakh and plant of 20 lakh. Now let us see the additional depreciation that is to be charged on the plant and machinery which is purchased. One is of 12 lakh and another is of 20 lakh. On 12 lakh at the rate of 20%, we get 2,40,000, and the machinery costing 20 lakh which is used for less than 180 days, so it is half of the additional depreciation, that is half of 20% comes to 10%, which is 2 lakh rupees. So if we add this together, the total depreciation on plant and machinery, that is 4,20,000, 1,50,000, and additional depreciation of 2,40,000 and 2 lakh, total comes to 10,10,000. So we are deducting this depreciation of 10,10,000 and we get the written down value. In case of computer, the computer which is sold for 20,000, therefore the written down value is 1,80,000. On 1,80,000, directly we charge 40%, which comes to 72,000. So the written down value of computer is 1,08,000. Now let us see the second problem. This came in December 2015. A block of asset consisting of 5 machines. So in this entire block there are 5 machines. Written down value of all machines as on 1st April 2019 is rupees 8 lakhs. So block of assets, that is machines, written down value as on 1st April 2019 is 8 lakh. Now the rate of depreciation is given, it is 15%. A new machine costing 1,60,000 was acquired in April 2019. So add new machine acquired 1,60,000. So the total is 9,60,000. This machine which was acquired in April 2019 was actually put to use on 10th October 2019. So from 10th October, if you count the days, so 20 days in October, then November, December, January, February, March. So it comes less than 180 days. Therefore, this machine is used for less than 180 days. We should remember this point. Two old machines are sold for rupees 3,20,000 in December 2019. So deduct less machines sold 3,20,000. If you deduct, you will get 6,40,000. Now on the 6,40,000, we have to charge the depreciation. Now the new machine which is acquired 1,60,000. Let us deduct this 1,60,000 from 6,40,000. So on 4,80,000, we are charging at the rate of 15%. And on 1,60,000, we are charging at the rate of 7.5%. The closing value of old machine is 4,80,000. On 4,80,000, we are charging at 15%. But on the new machine, though it is purchased in April 2019, but it is put to use on 10th October 2019. Therefore, we have to charge the half of the rate, that is, depreciation will be 7.5%. So we get 12,000. And again, on this new machine of rupees 1,60,000, we have to charge additional depreciation, and the additional depreciation will be 10% instead of 20% because it is used for less than 180 days. So this is the total depreciation. If you add, you get 1 lakh rupees. So the written down value is 5,40,000. Let us see another problem. This appeared in November 2016. From the following information, compute depreciation allowable for the assessment year 2021. This is regarding furniture. So you can see your written down value on 1st April 2019 is given. Furniture purchased in June 2019 is given. Furniture purchased in January 2020. Now the furniture which is purchased in June 2019 is used for more than 180 days. But one which is purchased in January 2020 is used for less than 180 days. Again, part of furniture sold in February 2020 is 3,000 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. Let us compute the depreciation for the assessment year 2020-21. First, we shall write the written down value. It is 1,10,000. Add purchased in 2019 and purchased in 2020. So if you add, we get 1,45,000. Furniture sold in February 2020, that is 3,000. So the written down value is 1,42,000. Now let us charge the depreciation on the furniture. From 1,42,000, we have to deduct furniture costing 20,000. On 20,000, we are charging half the rate of depreciation. That is, instead of 10%, 5%. So this 20,000, if you deduct from 1,42,000, you will get 1,22,000. On 1,22,000 at the rate of 10%. So we get 12,200 and 1,000. So the depreciation on furniture is 13,200 and the written down value is 1,28,800.